This is a sample make of my next sewing pattern release. See the link for yesterday's part 1. All the pieces are now cut out. Next, I will transfer all the markings. Snips may get lost in this loose weave, so I'll be using tailor's tacks. The lining can be marked up with the tracing wheel and carbon paper. If you need to mark up the interfacing, chalk works well. See the link for my video all about transferring markings. All the pieces are cut out. The front edge is interfaced. This is the front fold line. Interfacing with seam allowance covers the whole of the pocket area. The hemline is interfaced. The raglan sleeve seam is stabilised with strips of interfacing. You can use stay tape or stay stitching instead. The back is interfaced at the neckline, and again the raglan sleeve seams are stabilised. The sleeve is interfaced either side of the shoulder dart, and again the raglan sleeve seam is stabilised. The cuff is interfaced with a 3-inch 7.5 cm strip. 2 of the 4 pocket welt pieces are interfaced. One of the collar pieces is interfaced. The lining pieces are cut out and marked up. Here are the remaining pieces which have been marked up. The back neck facing and top of sleeve facing. 2 of the 4 pocket welt pieces. Lastly, 2 pocket bag pieces. This is a sample make in preparation for the final pattern. Tomorrow I will be sewing the pockets. In the meantime, check out my sewing pattern page on angelakane.com. Thank you for watching.